Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. Today we will be talking about AU Bank and we'll do its stock analysis for 10th January 2022. So let's go straight to our chart. As you can see, I opened this chart from my Zerodha's account. If you don't have a Demat account, you can open a Demat account from the link given in description below of Zerodha and Upstocks. You can open your account absolutely free on Upstocks via a link and start your trading journey from there. So let's see what happened in AU Bank on Friday. As you can see, AU Bank was 4.62% positive and closed at 1221. Now we will talk about what is going to happen in next few days, and even we will mark some important support zones and resistance zone for Monday, and also we will be sharing our opinion on what will happen on Monday according to its Friday's closing. Let's move to our one day chart. So here I have opened a one day chart and we will be analyzing this chart for coming days. As you can see, the volume was average on Friday and the candle was a medium size candle, and also here you can see 20 MA is currently still moving below 50 MA, and if we talk about RSI is moving over 66 and 67. So here RSI is showing as a downside. So remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the stock, like any news or quarterly results, etc., and then we make a decision according to that data. So now let's talk about my opinion for coming days. So as I have mentioned, 20 MA is still moving below 50 MA, which still shows us a downtrend, which means that the stock will still fall down and in the future, and currently the upside movement is all temporary. So we have to wait for a permanent movement. Also currently my opinion is still negative for this stock. Stock will fall till 1100, and you can see from there even it can fall more, but currently if we talk about support zone, 1100 is a good support zone. Here we can see, until and unless indicator 20 MA doesn't cross 50 MA, we should not go for a long position. We have to still go for a short position because trend is still bearish. If you want to go for a long term, you can add the stock near 1100 or 1080, which is a good support zone, and an entry level below that is all an opportunity to add more. If the stock falls more, you can add more and average your portfolio. This was my opinion for coming days. What is your opinion? Just let us know in the comment section. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the notification icon so that you can get all the alerts and latest update. We upload daily 4 to 5 videos, and that means 4 to 5 stock analysis, which is very important for the next day and for coming days. We share our views according to the chart, means only according to technical analysis and not any other factors. Okay, so let's move to our 1 hour chart and let's see what is going to happen on Monday according to its Friday's closing. So here I have opened the 1 hour chart. Before sharing my opinion, let me just mark some important support zone and resistance zone, which is going to be very important for Monday. As you can see, some of the markings is already saved. These are our old markings which is done in our previous videos. Some support zones are already marked, but we have to mark some resistance zone which is not marked. So we have to see the history of the chart and we have to accordingly make the resistance zone. Resistance zone and support zone is very important for any stock. We have to use it for maintaining our stop loss and target. So here I am making 2 additional resistance zones so that if the price move up with a good volume, we have a resistance zone marked for maintaining a target. So all the markings are done. Let's talk about this Friday's closing. Stock was closed near 1221 and direct support zone over here is 1200 and direct resistance zone is 1222. The stock was closed near its direct resistance zone, so we have to see how the stock performs in pre-open market on Monday from 9 AM to 9:15 AM and make a decision according to that data. Remember, if the stock is moving from direct support to direct resistance zone, the area between is known as no trading zone, which means if the stock is moving in that area, you should not buy or sell in that area on Monday. You have to wait to cross any of the zone. Like if it crosses the resistance zone, then you have to see the confirmation candle and accordingly you have to make your decision. The confirmation candle is a 3 candle which is important for a permanent or temporary upside move to trade for a day trade. If you see a confirmation candle above resistance zone, then you can go for a long position and you can set your target to next resistance zone or keeping some difference from the resistance zone so that it can be easily achieved. If the stock falls and crosses the direct support zone, then you have to wait for confirmation candle, which is 3 red candle, and if the stock crosses direct resistance zone, then you have to wait for 3 green candle. Third candle is known as the confirmation candle, which will give you a confirmation of that moment. Remember to see for confirmation candle on 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. So let's talk about my opinion. Before I tell my opinion, let me give you 2 important support zone and 2 important resistance zone for Monday, which will be very important. So just mark it in your chart. So after direct support, the next support is 1183 and the next support is 1162. After direct resistance zone, the next resistance zone on is 1236 and the next is 1253. Do consider this support zone and resistance zone while trading on Monday. So let's talk about my opinion. So my opinion according to the Friday's closing for Monday is negative, because here I can see major resistance zone of 1221, which I think on Monday will be also a reason for the stock to fall. Sure, it is important to see the pre-open market so that we can make a better decision according to that data, but currently according to the Friday's closing, my opinion is negative and we can see the stock closing between no trading area. What is your opinion? Just let me know in the comment section, and if you did like this analysis, do hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.